Okie dokie. So let's go through the different settings and actually adding a button as well, and just making your page look a little bit more respectable, okay, and not as boldy as it is at the minute. So all you need to do first and foremost is let's add a button. Okay, just click on add a button, and you can do lots of things. Okay, so at the minute, you know, if you've got a website, great. Okay, if you've got a website, click on learn more about your business, click on learn more, and next, and then put in your website link. Okay, so mine would be HTTP. Always put in HTTP, otherwise it's not clickable. / HTTP / and then put in your website. So mine is howtosacktheboss.com, and just click on save and finish. So there's a bit of free advertising to your website. So if anybody clicks on learn more, if we test the button here, okay, it should go over to my blog, which it does. Excellent. Okay, so if you want to change that, you just hover over that, click on edit button. If you haven't got a website, that's all right. Don't worry about that. Let's just go back. Okay, and your button learn more, just click edit. Okay, and maybe they want to contact you instead. So just click on contact you, send a message. Yeah, and click next, and it'll put send a message. I'm just going to leave learn more because, again, it's sort of free traffic over to your website from Facebook, which is a good thing. Next thing, just go to settings. Okay, and just leave it on general. You don't really need to bother about anything else, okay, at the minute anyway. Okay, so let's just go down. Make sure your page is published. Okay, if it's not, just click on edit and publish it. Sometimes it'll come up unpublished. All right, this is really all I do. Just go down, country restrictions. One or two things. If you want to leave yourself open to everybody, if anybody from any country can view your page, then just leave it as it is. If you want to restrict people only to the US, UK, Canada, wherever you are in the world, you can just edit and then type in your page preference. But because, you know, I'm an online business, we'll leave it open to everybody. Age restrictions, entirely up to yourself. As a default rule, Facebook will leave it as 13, so we just click on there, 13 upwards. So you can make it, you know, 21 and over, anything like that. But just be aware that if you've got a blog, okay, and your blog has what's called a Facebook feed, okay, so it sort of pulls in your feeds from Facebook onto your blog. If you've got any country restrictions or any age restrictions, it won't actually pull in the profile picture from your page. It'll just look as a question mark. All right. So if you pull your hair out and you've got this Facebook feed and you just see question marks and you think, why is that? It's because of this. It's because you've changed the age restriction or the country restriction inside of settings. Top tip there for you. Okay, that could save you hours of work, I believe, honestly. So page moderation. You know, you can put in blocked words in here. That's what I like to put in, things like that. So I like to put in things like crap, scam, scammer, yeah, and I'll leave the rest, you know, to your own mind, okay? You don't have to see me typing in the F word and all sorts of things, all right? But it's worth putting in Facebook profanities in there, because if anybody puts anything like that, yeah, you could be sleeping, your page will automatically block it, okay? So it's a really good idea to do that. So let's just cancel that. And also the profanity filter, I like to set this to medium. So just set it to medium, save changes. Okay, again, you know, Facebook's helping you as well. And that's all I do from here. And incidentally, if you ever make a mistake creating a page, and you've created a name and you think, oh damn, I don't like that name, you can just delete your page. You go down here and just select remove page and just delete it. Okay, that's just a little bit of added info. All right, and that's really all you need to do on here. You don't need to spend a lot of time. The only other thing that I would say is page roles. If you select page roles, okay, what you can actually do is, if you scroll down, you'll see me, Phil Carrick. I'm the admin of the page. Now I can edit that, I can change myself, but admin's the top. That means anybody who's an admin can delete your page, be careful, Okay, they can comment on behalf of you. They can advertise on behalf of you once you once you add them to your ad account. I'll show you that later. So if you're adding somebody, okay, first off, you need to be friends on Facebook. Okay, so on your profile, let's go over to my profile here. Okay, as you can see, I've got like 3,500 friends. Yeah, if I want to add an admin to that page, has to be one of these friends. If not, just type in the person's name up here. Okay, so let's type in anybody. Let's see, Bill McGuire. I don't know any Bill McGuires, not that I'm aware of. So there's one Bill McGuire. So obviously if you want Bill to be your admin, you would click on there, add as friend. It would send a friend request. It would come up here on Bill's profile, and he would see that. He would add you as a friend. Once you're friends, you can then add people in here. Okay, add people in here. So if I wanted to add my daughter, there's my daughter there, Emma. Okay, I would add her either as an editor or moderator. Do not, I repeat, do not add people as an admin unless you you love them to bits. All right, because here's the thing. All right, and here's a disclaimer, I do love Emma to bits, by the way, but here's the thing. All right, if you add somebody as an admin, they can delete you, they can remove you, they can take control of your page, or they can delete your page. So a big warning. All right, be careful there. Be careful. Okay, and then that's it. That's all you need to do. That's your page settings all sorted. And then all you do after that is you need to start posting content. Do not put up any ads until you've got at least 5 pieces of content, because your page is baldy. You know, it's like me, for goodness sake, up there. There's nothing there. So who wants to interact? Who wants to interact with a page that's got nothing on there? So just start writing a post. Just start, hey, how you doing? Yeah, and add a nice photo. Yeah, just anything at all. You can upload a photo. Let's find a nice photo. Oh, there's one there. Okay. Hey, sort of welcome to the page. Yeah. How you doing? How can I help you today? Yeah, let me know, here to help you. And just put on a nice little emoji. Just, you know, have a bit of fun about your page. Yeah? There you go, and look, publish. Now you can publish there, or you can click on that down arrow, you can actually schedule a post. So you can write all your posts for the week on a Monday or a Sunday evening, whenever. All right, never have to bother about this. Okay, so you just click on that down arrow. 3 options come up, one schedule. Okay, let's see schedule, backdate, etc. Well, I'm just going to publish this. Okay, I'm going to get something on there. So give it a second. There we go. Look at that. Wow, what a handsome devil. All right, so hey, welcome to the page. How you doing? Okay, a little bit of content. See this here, Phil's. Yeah. All right. Just look, you don't need any of this. People don't need to see you putting up your photos. So what I do is I just hide from timeline. Okay, so I get rid of this. I get rid of that awful picture. Hide from timeline. Hide. Bingo. So yeah, your page is starting to look decent. You know, if that pictures are decent, I don't know. All right. So again, put in 5 bits of content. Boom, 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 and then I'll see you in the next video.